What happened? What happened? Boo-boo, get that over there again. Look how good she did that. Sophie. Sophie.
Wait, I want her to crawl. She's
Do it.
flapping her hands at her feet. Come on, Mom, you can do it.
Who's back there?
Ooh.
Caramba, mama. Caramba, mama. Get it. I gotta go pick up my estrogen. I'm gonna be feeling bad if I don't get it.
Come on, Mommy. Come on, Mommy.
Lunch.
You want us to go with you?
Well, yeah, I'm gonna go get my. You change it. Let's go in my car. Hurry up, come on! I gotta go before the.
She's trying to crawl and she opens her mouth because she can't.
I gotta exchange these pants I got. I gotta get a 13.
Hi.
Because these are.
Hi.
At
No,
the
Mommy.
Store, they have the cutest things. At this one next to the